Thanks a lot to the whole RAK TDA team for having us this week in Ras Al Khaimah. It was such a pleasure to just share our accomplishments, to share our insights on our markets, but also to discover all of our colleagues from the other international agencies, and it was so great.
So it's been great to be in Ras Al Khamah for the first time. Been working with RAK TDA for 5 years. My favourite experience of the week has been the dune buggying so far. Quite like the adrenaline rush, the speed, and it was good fun, but also really enjoyed trying out the local foods. It's been great fun to experience the actual destination in real life.
This is my first time to visit UAE. I'm so glad to start from Ras Al Khamah. I think promoting the RAK is also like a journey. More and more people joining and discovering the more exciting moment together.
It's my very first experience in Ras Al Khamah, and the last few days have been like stunning. It was like wonderful to discover the 3 different landscapes that the destination has to offer. Beautiful beaches, stunning sunset in the desert, and then the beautiful mountains. So it is like various landscapes and experience to discover.